How to hide Telegram notifications on Android lock screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to hide Telegram notifications on Android lock screen. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch Settings application on your device. Scroll down and look for Apps. Tap on App Management. Now tap Search bar at top of your screen and type in Telegram. Navigate to Telegram app info page. Now tap on Manage Notification and make sure that you toggle on the button for Allow Notifications. On this section here you got Hide Notification Details on Lock Screen option. Make sure you turn on the button and with that you will successfully hide Telegram notifications as well as details on Android lock screen. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.